Hey guys, look at this. Is that like the cutest little thing you ever saw? This is a Syma CH-47 army helicopter. This one is really tiny. I mean, if you compare this to, say, that one, big difference. So let's take a look at it. The transmitter is infrared. It has buttons on the top. That's interesting. This is back trim and this is forward trim. It has spring-loaded. This is nice and smooth over here, but I don't like the throttle being locked back like that. It's too hard to hold, so I probably got to remove that spring. But right now I put a little charge on it. Let's see if it flies. Looks cute, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, turn this on. And down here is a tiny little switch. And turn that on. Oh, we got legs. So, let's see how this works. Pretty cool. I like it. Look how little it is. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. It's so tiny. This is one you could really take. I like this. This is Syma. Got this from xheli.com. And not a bad price either. Check the site up there for the price and availability. I've got that turned out just right now.
Yes.
CH-47. It's pretty cute, actually. And this is the transmitter for it. Let's see how it goes. This is great. It really is. Very smooth. I'm totally impressed. Even though the tail rotor is on the wrong side of the transmitter, I actually can fly it pretty good.
Get it, Phil.
It is.